Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome has stopped working issue on your Windows 10 or 11. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome has stopped working, then I will show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you need to click on this search bar, then type here Google Chrome. Just right click on Google Chrome. You can see here open file location. Just click on open file location. In this you can see here Google Chrome. Again you need to right click on Google Chrome. Again you need to click on open file location. After that you can see here Chrome. You just rename it here. Just right click on that and click on rename whatever you want. I had renamed as Chrome New. Just right click on that. If you are using Windows 11, just click on show more option. Just right click on Chrome. If you are using Windows 11, then click on show more option. Just right click on Chrome and click on create shortcut here. Windows cannot create a shortcut here. Do you want this shortcut to placed on the desktop instead? Yes, just click on yes and close this window. You can see the shortcut has been created here. You can just open it from here. After doing this simple settings, your Chrome problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome has stopped working on your Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.